Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be doing an apple torte. And this recipe here is version 3. So let's go over the ingredients that we need. 1/4 cup or 57 grams of butter, 1 1/8 cups or 170 grams of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup or 150 grams of white granulated sugar, 1/2 cup or 125 grams of milk, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 teaspoons or 6 grams of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon or 3 grams of salt. We're going to need some cinnamon and some apples. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. I have my all-purpose flour here. I'm going to add in my baking powder and my salt. Let's just mix that together. All-purpose flour is also called plain flour in many parts of the world. Okay, that's good. So to my bowl, I'm going to add in all of my granulated white sugar. And then I'm going to add in all of my butter, and my butter is very soft. That's good. Close down my mixer. I'll get this going, and we just want to cream this up. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to add in my egg. That'll just help with the creaming process because it adds more moisture into the mixture in our bowl. Then we'll get that going. Okay, that's good. I'm going to add in my vanilla. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to change up the recipe a little bit. I'm going to grab some of my cinnamon and just get that in there. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. I don't want to overpower it. I'll give that a little bit of a stir. So in my 2 other versions, I did not add cinnamon to the flour. That'll give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, that's good. I'm going to add in my milk and then all of the flour. Speed number 1. Nice slow mix. Okay, that's good. And I just want to do this on camera, so I'm just going to get my scale here to make sure it's at 0. I'm using apples about this size, and I just want to give a rough estimate of what that is. So that's 149 grams for that single apple. Earlier, I cut up and diced some apples around the same size as this apple here. So at 150 grams, I'm taking about that much. So that's 1 apple's worth, and I'm going to get that right into our mixer because I want to add some apple to the actual batter. And the rest of the apple I am going to put on the top. I think that's going to make a nice little variation. Now I'm just going to get this going. I just want to slowly mix that in. I think that's going to be really nice. Okay, that's good. I've got a 9 by 9 inch baking pan here, and that's 23 centimeters square. Let me just mix this. And then our last step, let's just get this right into our little baking pan. This is going to be amazing. So in the other two variations, I did not put any cinnamon in the batter and no apple. Just apple on the top with cinnamon sprinkled over the apple. So I think this is going to be a nice version 3. It's good. Perfect. And as I'm baking this today, we've got a nice little snowstorm going on outside. Probably got about maybe 10 centimeters of snow already. There we go, I think that's nice. So make sure everything's nice and even. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. And then I've got the rest of the apple. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this. That's quite a bit. And then I'm just going to take it and start sprinkling it on the top. So if you love apple, well, you're going to love this. That's for sure. Take your time. Fill in all the areas in the corners. There, I think that looks pretty good. So I've just got a few left. That'll be a little snack for me later. That's perfect. And then just the last little step here. I'm going to grab my cinnamon again. Probably the safest thing is to move your cinnamon into a better sprinkler, because this has very large holes. Just get it all nice. I don't want to go crazy with the cinnamon. I think that's good, like just like that. So now I'm going to put my cake into a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius, for about 40 minutes. Hey everybody, I am back, and total bake time was 45 minutes. I looked at the cake at the 40-minute mark. It didn't look exactly baked, so I just let it go for that extra 5 minutes. There's a lot of extra moisture in the cake with the extra apples, so I think that extra 5 minutes was a good choice. Anyway, it smells amazing. Let me just remove my little metal clips. And let's lift this out. Oh, that looks so good. Wow. Let's bring in a little plate. Let's go for a little slice. Oh, this looks awesome. Let's cut this and check it out. I'm very happy I went with the extra 5 minutes. So that's a total of 45 minutes. And that looks really good. See, we've got a lot of extra moisture in there, so that's good. 45 minutes, perfect. That looks amazing. Smells so good. Let's go in for a little slice. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. Here we go. That is really good. So this is version 3. Version 1 and 2, they look nicer on the top because of the slices of apple. But this here, for inside the actual cake, you're getting a lot more of that apple inside the cake. So this is might be the winner. I really, really like this. That is good. Once I turn off the camera, I'm going to finish this off with a nice cup of tea. And I might have another little slice because this is really, really good. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out over there as well, at BakeLikeAPro. So I'll leave it there for this video. If you love apple cake, you have to give this a try. It is just so, so good. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, I can't stop. Gotta go in for another bite. This is so good. Oh, so good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.